We've now reached our third and final app project, iTunes Movies. iTunes Movies reads the top feed of movies from the iTunes Store and presents the movie's posters in an attractive scrolling feed. The user can then select a movie, get additional information, and launch the iTunes Store to rent or purchase. iTunes Movies is our first connected app. We'll be using the Coco Remote Connection Manager URL session to handle downloading the feed's data from the internet. Once we have that, we'll be using customized JSON decoding to decode the feed into a movie struct. In order to implement our JSON parsing effectively, we'll be working interactively in an Xcode playground for the first time. In our movie data source, we'll also define some simple custom errors to represent things that can go wrong when fetching data from the internet. Then, in order to display the movie posters, we'll be using UI Collection View, a standard component similar to UI Table View. We'll be creating a fully customized cell for the collection, and we'll be downloading and caching images. Many of the patterns in this app should now be familiar to you, so we'll be skipping demonstrating these steps, and you should try implementing them yourself. This way, we hope to cement your understanding of core iOS development patterns.